Okay, so I kind of want to just review some stuff about 7.3 and 7.4 because I just got done grading and it seems like there's a little bit of confusion, not really a lot, just on one part really. So on the first part, everyone did good on the ready. You're just doing 360 divided by the sides. And then on the set, okay, so this one here, this one everyone did pretty well on. I just want to make sure we show an example of how to do one of these, and because this is stuff you guys will see next year for sure. Okay, so we know how to get the other angle. You know, like this one here, just 90 minus 60. That one should be 30. So everybody's pretty good with the angles, I feel like, but the sides are kind of hard when you only have one side. Okay, so like for this one here, we need to stand, you know, it doesn't really matter where we stand, but we might as well stand on the angle you're given. Don't do any extra work. And then, you know, for whatever side you're looking for, let's say we're looking for this one first, we need to figure out one of the three trig ratios we can use standing on 60 that involves the two sides that we're dealing with. Okay, so in this case, x is opposite of 60, and 1 is the hypotenuse. So opposite and hypotenuse, that means we're looking at sine. Okay, so right here, we're going to want to do sine of 60 equals the opposite, which we don't know, over the hypotenuse, which we do know. And then from there, we're just trying to solve for x. So multiply both sides by 1, get rid of the 1 on the bottom, and then x should be equal to whatever 1 times the sine of 60 is in Desmos. Okay, remember to make sure Desmos is in degrees and not radians. Alright. These ones here, everyone did pretty well on. We kind of did a lot in the video. Number 14, E and F are kind of weird. You'd have to like use some right triangles and do some actual trigonometry to get those angles. But I'm not too worried about that right now. And everyone did good on the go. 7.4. Okay, this one everyone was fine on the ready. So this is the part where I really wanted to talk about. So you guys did a really good job on it. Everyone got the perimeters okay. Obviously they get harder, like number 10 and beyond, when you don't have a picture. So you're kind of trying to go based off, you know, either you draw a picture or go off visualizing it. So basically right here, again, to get the area of any one of these shapes, we need to make one of what would be incongruent triangles. Whoops. Okay, so we'd have this. This is one of the congruent triangles. There'd be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides, 8 congruent triangles on the inside. So back to our one of those, because remember, we're just going to get one of those multiplied by 8 and we're done. So you just have to remember, to get the area of one of these little pieces, one of these triangles, the formula is half the base times the height. So in this case, this one's a little different, number 9. The 10 is actually the height of that triangle. So in this case, we actually don't have the base. So what we need to do is take out one of these right triangles. Remember, we have this as 10, and then we're looking for this one here. And then to get this whole distance, we're just going to double x. Okay, so then to get this is kind of like with the last example from the last Ready, Set, Go. We would just need to figure out what this angle is to figure out what we're going to stand on. Okay, and that's the measure of the interior angle. Okay, so if you need help on that, again, there's a video on that. But anyway, that's that. And then everyone did good on the go. So thank you guys, good work. Talk to you soon.